Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am pulling up these bricks. I have them covered on this spot on the edge because all on the edge, you guys know that I have a pollinating area, but in conjunction with that, I also want to do leeks and onions. So today I am tailing this area. The bricks have been over it for a couple of months, so it is much softer as opposed to the right of me that you can see is brick hard and the left of me is brick hard. I'm just pulling up any roots that may have come in here and making sure that this area gets really good drainage because leeks do like a well-drained soil. So I'm just making sure it is prepared for me to plant my leek seeds today. After I do this, I'm going to put together an amendment for this soil because the soil is not the best. So I'm going to amend it using compost and blood and bone, in addition to Dr. Earth's all-purpose fertilizer. We're going to mix them together and then put that on top of this area. And then I'm just going to mix it all in. Leeks do have a tendency to rust on their leaves, and that is because they're typically planted too close together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to thin these leeks after they have sprouted. And then after they're about 4 to 5 weeks old, I'm actually going to plant them, or I may wait like 6 to 8 weeks and plant them even deeper so that the stalk, which is the bottom white part of the leek, is thicker. I'm choosing to amend my soil because, as you can see here, the dirt here is dirt. It is rock hard, and so a lot of vegetables like a lot of organic matter. So that's why I'm choosing to amend the soil. And you guys already know I use the same things that I've used since I've been making this channel. I use compost, blood and bone with an all-purpose fertilizer. I mix them all in and kind of cross my fingers and hope for the best. So far, the garlic have been doing great with this amendment inside of this soil. This is normally what they do when they all come to the garden. He plays with them, and it allows me to continue creating good content for you guys, and it also allows me to have more peace in the garden. This is the American flag leek that I'm using, and I got this technique of just putting the hoe down from David the Good. He's a really good content creator here and a good artist overall on YouTube. And that just gives me a straight line. And I'm kind of liberal with my seeds. I know everybody isn't, but I am being a little bit liberal with these leek seeds, and then I'm going to thin them out. Do you guys plant leeks? Do you guys use leeks? If so, drop a comment down below and let me know what is your favorite way to use your leeks. I like them in soups, and I also like them in stir fries. I like to use it like I'm using green onion. I kind of like to use it that way. And when I make noodles fresh, I like to put leeks in there too. I'm pulling these leeks I'm pulling these garlic out of the container because you guys know from the last video, the garlic inside of these containers did not perform well. I think I did a shorts on this too. If you guys don't watch my shorts, you absolutely should. I am going to leave these roots in here because these are going to continue feeding my microbes. But as you can see, it's kind of loose and sandy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some compost to this, hope that richens it up, and then add the amendments as I did before. Since the garlic didn't do that great in here, I'm hoping that by adding these amendments, they will do great. And if they don't, that's going to tell me that it is my container. What I also didn't do for my garlic is I didn't protect the soil. So what I'm definitely going to do with these leeks in this container is I'm going to cover them with some straw or some wood chips. And I'm hoping that protects the soil so it isn't so dry. It wasn't like bone dry, but it was too dry, just in my opinion. So make sure you guys are covering up your crops. You're protecting that soil because especially if you're in a dry climate like I am here in Zone 9B in California, it is it is imperative that we are protecting our soil. Summer, over the next 2 weeks, I will be planting up all of my summer crops. I have quite a few. Well, I think I have 4 peppers already here, and I have 2 tomato plants that are already in here, but I will be planting other things. I also have green beans and cucumbers that are already in here, but I will be planting more, and I will also be now doing apartment gardening, so look out for those videos. Those will be coming towards the middle or end of April. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Thank you for supporting me in here in my channel. I will continue pumping out the content. I know you guys like it because my numbers are growing. My fan bam is growing on here, and I'm so excited for all the things we have to come this year. Have a wonderful day. Mama Green Thumb signing out.